Lost work orders, repair delays, and nonstop headaches? Simply Fleet fixes that. Create and assign work orders in seconds. Technicians see urgent jobs instantly. No more waiting around. You can filter by status, sort by priority, and track progress instantly to see what's open, urgent, and completed. Drivers report issues. Mechanics update work orders. Fleet managers approve repairs, all from their phone. No calls and no delays. Service invoices? Snap. Scan and done. AI logs everything. No manual entry and no missing records. DOT audit? Easy. Every repair fully documented. Notes, photos, parts used, so you can track recurring issues and manage warranties. No more lost work orders and costly delays. Just full control over every repair, every dollar, and every truck. Try it today.